In the last 10 months, I've attracted over 250 customers for my brand new business using content marketing. I'm going to show you today exactly how I do that and my process that I follow, which tools that I use, both software tools and AI tools, and my simple process that I've kept secret until now for generating the content that drives in and attracts customers for your business. So let's get started, because I'd love for you to grow your business using the same method. So I'm going to share my screen. The very first thing that I do is I use a tool called SEMrush, and then I put the link in the description below. I'm going to have the links for all these. Some of these tools, if you use them, I've got a discount code for you. So use my links if you do the free trial. And then if you decide to sign up, you'll get a discount. First thing that I do is I use SEMrush Keyword Magic tool. Now, what this does for me is I can put in keywords and search them until I find a keyword with what it tells me calls a low keyword difficulty. So this is an 8 and it's green. So it says your chance to start ranking new pages for this is very easy, right? So that's the key. There are really difficult search terms and there are really easy search terms. You want to make sure you're going after the easy ones, because that's how you can rank your business and get your website out there and attract more customers with your content. So I found this one, best website builder for lawn care. Quick snippet about my business. My business is a website builder for small businesses. It's a really cheap, free trial, $9 a month website builder for small local businesses, right? So this makes sense for me as a keyword, best website builder for a lawn care business. That's one of the types of businesses that often signs up for my platform. So I found this, I see, okay, intent, user wants to investigate brands or services. Great, that means they're thinking about buying. Volume is 20. That usually what I've found is that if it says there's volume of like 10 or 20, there's usually volume even better than that, like 100 or 150 a month. So that means there are people searching for it. That's all that means. How many people are searching for it? And then the keyword difficulty, right? 8. So that means very easy to rank for this. Great. I've got a winner here. So that's where it starts, because if you put a ton of work in, you've got a brand new business and you're going after really difficult keywords, you won't get them. So you got to find the easy ones. That's where it starts. Second step that I do then is I go to ChatGPT, right? And I open this up, and here's the prompt that I use. Write me a blog article that is about the best website builder for lawn care. And I need to share this information with ChatGPT so they know, right? I'm going after this keyword. So I say, best website builder for lawn care is the keyword I'm trying to target with this blog article. So then I describe my business, right? So please make the article about Mighty Sites, which is a small business website builder. Then I describe my platform. So you would have to describe your business too. And then after that, I said, please write a catchy and intriguing title, one that will be appealing for lawn care businesses. So we want that click-through rate, right? We want people to click through to this. So then it generated an article for me. I didn't really like this start to it, so I actually asked it to regenerate the title again, and it gave me this title, and it gave me this short article, blog article for my website. Great, we're off to a good start, right? Now here's the kicker. I want the best title possible. So what I did was I took this title, and again, I'll put the link below, and I went to this free headline analyzer, and I plugged in the title first, and I said, you know what, that was a 48. It's not really that great. A good score is 40 to 60, but for best results, strive above 70. I'm gonna let you in on a secret. Your title is everything, both for your blog articles and for your videos. By having a great title, more people click to your blog from Google search. By having a great title, more people click to your video on YouTube. And I'm gonna show you how I make a video out of this too. So I played around with it. I'm getting the hang of this, and I went to a score of 80. That's a really good title. It means people are gonna click. And what I changed it to is, as I saw the 5 reasons in there, 5 reasons why Mighty Sites is the best website builder for lawn care. So you can see now in my title is that keyword too. So that's key as well. So now I've got a great title. I've got a great blog article. Now what do I need to do? Well, now I go to my Pictory AI tool, which I put the link in the description below. And I'm going to do right here this script to video section. So I'm going to click on proceed. Let's put in your video here. Enter your video name. So we're going to use this great title that I just came up with. And I'm going to go in here and type in the title. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to copy the article. So here's my article right here. And so then I just move over and go in and paste my article. Great. And it copied over everything. So now it's just saving the changes. And next I'm going to click on proceed. So I just need to pick a template here for my video. And I'm going to go over here. What's something that looks good? I want to keep this pretty clear. Probably have this. This looks really readable. My goal is something really readable. So I'm going to use that. I'm putting it on YouTube. and I'm going to put it on social media, and I'm going to put it on Instagram. This is for like Reels and YouTube Shorts. This is for like YouTube and Vimeo. So it gives you all the aspect ratios. So now I'm taking this content and I'm going to try and get ranked for that keyword everywhere I can, right? So I'm going to post this blog article, but I should explain what I'm doing. I'm also going to turn it into a video, and I'm going to post that on YouTube, on social media, everywhere, right? So anyone who's looking for best website builder for lawn care is going to find my business. So I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to pick this template. I'll just start with the YouTube video. I'll just show you how to do that today, but I'll show you how you can change it and generate the other ones too. So now what it's doing is it's generating the storyboard for my business, or for my video. So it's creating all the visuals and content to go along with it. Great, now it's developed my video. So you can see, I told you, I mentioned this, I'm just working on the landscape, but you can just switch around the format and download a version of each one too, so that you can use this everywhere like I'm going to. So now it's pulled in my video. So now I can just click through, I'll just click on this preview. What it's done is it's written out all the text over the videos. It's put in all these video story blocks too, so that it plays through all these different videos as it goes. It's added background music, which you may or may not be able to hear right now, just depending on if my microphone picks it up. And it's created this professional looking video that I can use for my business. Now, AI is great and it helps accelerate the process, but I usually need to make some changes at this point. So the editor is really easy to use. So if you just want to click on text or move it around, you can do that. You can also click into it to edit the text. The other thing that I often do is I check out the visuals, and let's just say, I mean, most of these are pretty good, but I did see one that looked like more like a farmer's market, maybe, yeah. And then a lawn care. So I'm going to put something like lawnmower here, just to get a visual that's, more in line. So here, we're working on lawn care business. There's a lawnmower. Nuances of small businesses, especially those in the lawn care industry. Perfect. Now we've got a better thing there. If I want to change the music, I can just go through the entire pre-licensed library of music or audio, and I can select one that I want to change it up to. So I can just grab the audio, but it's got a nice background music too. Now, the only thing I usually do also is I go right here to the voiceover, and you can either upload a voiceover, record a voiceover on each screen, or apply an AI voiceover, which is really easy to do. And you just click on AI and it'll come up with an AI voiceover, and you can even pick the type that you want, like who you want speaking. It's that quick and easy to then create a professional video, right? Now all I do is click download and I upload that to YouTube. So all I'll do from here now is I'll take my blog article, I'll post that to my blog, right? And I'll optimize it and I'll crawl it in Google Search Console so that Google indexes it quickly. I'm going to take this, I'm going to download the video. Once I add the voiceover, I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel for Mighty Sites. So I've got a really awesome YouTube channel for Mighty Sites. So again, this is where we've driven all the content. You can see almost 500,000 views on this video, tons of videos about how to build websites, website builders, using AI content some of the time, just like I'm doing here, to help create more of the videos faster. That's helped us grow our business. And then I'm going to download that, upload it to the YouTube channel, and then I'm going to do one final step. I'm going to download the video in all different formats and load it to our social media channels as well. So now I've taken this thing that I know is easy to rank for, a lot of people search for, and it's related to buying my product, and I've quickly used AI tools to generate a blog about it, to then create a really strong headline that'll get people to click over to it, use the Pictory AI tool to generate, again, my discount codes below, to generate a video that's professional. I'm going to use that on YouTube and on social media. And then finally, I'm going to take the video and I'm going to post it back on my website too, so that people can watch it on YouTube or see the embedded video on my website. And that, my friends, is how I've grown my business so quickly, this brand new website builder business, using tools just like this. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, follow me for more tips on how to use AI tools and software to grow your small business, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for joining.